So I have more coffee. So right when I was upset that I ran out of espresso, my espresso, we got a delivery. And guess what it is? It's Nespresso. And then I realized, I don't think I bought enough espresso though. So Nespresso has a new whiskey flavored coffee. I don't think it's an espresso, it's just a coffee. I'm like almost positive, but here it is. So I'm gonna open this up with you. Nespresso. I'm probably gonna get more espresso. Let me go out later if I find any. But yeah, so that's my espresso. I don't know why the hell this is in here. Daniel was, I don't know, he left it out. I'm gonna open this up. Nespresso. Without the N. Exhibit A, my unboxing. So I got samples. I have the Vertuo model, so I got these. The creamy iconic espresso, thank God, because I'm going through an espresso kick with an espresso lately. And I got an Altissio and an Altissio decaffeinato, which to me is pointless, because what the hell is decaffeinated coffee? I don't know. My sister likes it. Then I got the whiskey essence flavored coffee. Look. 2.70 fluid ounces. That's espresso. That's like a double shot, I think. Yum. I told Daniel if I don't like it, maybe he'll like it. Whiskey flavored, not alcoholic. Then I got the new golden caramel. This one's a regular coffee with 7.77 fluid ounces. Right over there. Golden caramel. Whiskey essence flavor. Or flavored. Pardon me, this box is about to fall off. Sweet vanilla. This one's also a coffee, 7.77 fluid ounces. The dishes are looking at me dirty again. I just realized that I was filming this on the wrong direction. And then lastly, I got Altissio, a box. And this is an espresso. These are just singles because it's 1.35 fluid ounces. The doubles are the 2.77 I learned. God, because it's got my address on it. It's a secret. There's my ECFI sign again. It's not coffee, it's ECFI. ECFI! Whiskey essence, flavored golden caramel, sweet vanilla, and the Altissio. About to try, oopsies, the whiskey essence flavored Nespresso. I got my Nespresso machine all ready to go. Just gonna get a cup and gonna make iced espresso. Iced is nice when you're an espresso. Got myself a mug and some ice, because it's nice. Ice is nice when you're having some Nespresso. Well, that fit perfectly. Push the button. Let's see how it smells. I might do 2 of these if I like it. I never do it like this before. Or did it like this before, I mean. I like burned a hole in my ice cube. Don't do this at home, kids. Don't. Smells pretty good. Don't try this at home, kids. like a cappuccino, it really is. Frothy. They put some milk in it, but I want to try it first. It does taste like whiskey. It's not alcoholic. I'm a little confused. I'm a little confused right now. I'm gonna put a regular flavored, what's that green dot? Espresso in there? Oh, from this. And add some milk and just chug it. Yeah, it's that green dot. Gonna put a little Altissio espresso pot in there. Espresso. Whoa, I almost flew. My cup almost flew. I'm gonna add some milk, and I'm gonna just chug this and call it a day. Yeah, I don't know if I would drink the whiskey espressos anymore. But Daniel can have them. I just wanted to try it. Just to say I did. And I did. It looks like a Guinness beer. I don't like it. I'm just gonna drink it just to drink it.
Is that much?
No, I put an extra shot.
Oh, okay.
I put a regular shot of espresso with that.
Look at Peter Parker trying to get to the point.
Peter Parker, what are you doing here? He's a pole dancer.
Maybe he wants some bread.
Yeah, that's the big Peter. Wow, Peter, you got big. I almost gonna add some milk to this. Yeah, I did one whiskey espresso with one Altissio. Is that what it's called? The regular espresso of some sort. I'm gonna add some almond milk. Califia, whatever it's called. Unsweetened almond milk.
Shouldn't just be squirrels. There's already an abundance of squirrels around here.
Yeah, they're never gonna leave. Peter Parker is our friend. You know him.
I wish we would get the brown squirrels around here. They look really cool. I seen them once at Wells Mills Park. Brown squirrel, and that's it. It's the only time I've ever seen it. Next Saturday, toilet.
It's an iced cappuccino. Yeah, I don't like the whiskey. It's just confusing to me.
Yeah.
Because it tastes...
It's too whiskey, like.
Yeah, it tastes like whiskey.
Should have just been a hint of it.
And I'm confused.
I want to try one.
Because now I want to put Fireball in it, but I don't want to get back into the habit of drinking Fireballs. So...
I'm going to try it.
This is very strong. My stomach is feeling it. I'm ripping my stomach apart.
Oh, he got it.
Oh,
He
my
got
God.
it. Yeah.
This fell on the floor by accident. Oh. My hair is a freaking mess. Who lets them go out like this? Nobody. I'm in my house. Lots are bouncing off the walls.
Yeah.
You can have the whiskey ones. I'm gonna keep the other ones to myself.
See if I like it. I want to get an espresso for work,
Really?
but they're too much. What's the cheapest one?
They have smaller versions.
Yeah.
I was gonna get one. Or
It's just so much easier because this is what happens.
they have like smaller size machines I've seen.
I'll make a pot of coffee
on
at work,
YouTube. Yeah.
and then we'll get busy,
Yeah.
or I'll get involved in a job, and it'll be an hour and a half before I get back to it. Like 3 or 4 cups worth. End up having 1 cup, and then it gets cold. It gets shuts off by itself. So it'd be easier if I had that.
Yeah, they make like smaller versions, a more condensed version of Keurig's.
It's just the espresso shot.
Yeah.
So maybe should put it in real coffee. Alright.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna put a Mexican. I hope it's not too much.
Yeah, I was telling Melissa, YouTuber, I don't know if she saw my comment yet. She used a blueberry cobbler creamer that they sell where she lives.
That sounds good.
And I commented and I said the ShopRite where we live, I don't know if you have ShopRites by you, like in Arizona where she lives, but they have it's actually, I realized it's not the ShopRite brand, I thought it was another brand, it's the New England coffee brand, but we have blueberry cobbler flavored coffee. And I'm not crazy about it, but you seem to like it.
Is it a bowl in a basket brand?
It's not bowl in a basket.
Oh, okay.
It's the New England coffee. It's the
Oh, that's right.
But she has a cream. They have a creamer where she lives. Whatever store she went to, I forget. Was it Costco or something else? But they have a blueberry cobbler creamer. Say that 3 times fast. You look good, Boots. You're welcome.
Look, I made a design. Looks like a cup of coffee.
Are you gonna put a kitty cat in there? Like a kitty cat,
Yeah.
design? Currently caffeinating. Why did you put the sunblock in the kitchen? I wonder.
I was looking for a place to put it.
Oh. Isn't that funny? The sign says ECFI. I always thought it said coffee, but it says ECFI.
No, I see it. This is coffee.
It does? But that's an E.
Mm.
And that's an E. No, I see what you're saying. That's a fancy C. And that's an C. And that's an F and an F and an E and an E. But that's supposed to be an L? To me it says ECFI. And not coffee. Currently caffeinated. Oh, it looks like Guinness, and it tastes like. Oh. Ew! Ew! I don't recommend it. So I'm gonna do. I don't particularly like to drink straight up whiskey shots unless it's Fireball. And those you just toss back and drink some water and you're like good to go. But this is just like 10 minutes worth of coffee. I'm trying to do Arnold Schwarzenegger in Puerto Rico and he goes, "Ah!" I'm gonna go toss my cookies. Maybe not, but I feel like I should. Tossing the cookies. If you found this video at all amusing, give it 2 thumbs up. You can only give it 1, but if you can give it 2, give it 2. And subscribe to my channel, Lulu's World. And I will see you again. You might see me again too. The espresso is kicking itself in. My fingers, don't mind them. Something's wrong with me, I don't know what. Yeah, join me along the ride for that journey too, eventually. I have some very graphic graphics. And we will see you soon. Bye. The dishes are looking at me dirty again. Don't look at me, dishes. You guys are dirty. What's that noise? That's the freezer. It might be the freezer. I don't know. I just don't. The dishes are looking at me dirty again. Don't look at me all dirty like that. Where it's always coffee time. Bye. Oh my god, I'm a freaking mess.